Hello students, today I will be teaching you all about consonants. Okay, until now we have learned about vowels. So in this lecture I will tell you all about consonants. This I have told you, this is G, G for gun. This is N, this is D, this is new, this means R. Okay, this is not new, this is M. Okay, this is S, this is silent. Okay, now I will write G, then N, then D, then R. Okay, these are 7 main. If I draw one more line, it becomes K. G becomes K. Okay, D becomes one more line and D becomes T. Okay, this thing, if I push it down, then M becomes B. Okay, and this S, if I draw one more line, then S becomes J. Okay, one circle and one hat, H for hat. This is man and this is hat, H. Okay, I'll write it down first, then I'll tell you. Okay, there are only 2 more. So this, if I draw the symbol of pi, P for pi. Alright, then if I draw this twice, okay, then it becomes CH, ch sound. Alright, these are 14 main. Okay, now I will draw the 5 extra consonants. So in order to draw the 5 extra consonants, we will take this G for gun and write it twice, then it will become GG. This is door, like that. 2 doors means D. Okay, this is B, the M pushed downwards, it becomes B. Okay, this, if I write twice, then it becomes BB. This is one sound, this is one sound, this is one sound. This SS is another, and J. Okay, these are 5. So I will write it down properly, then I will one by one I will tell you the how to speak and how to pronounce this. This is G for gun, G. You have to say G. This is N, the nose, N. This is M, the mouth, M. M. The door, S. A person walking like that is S. This is J, a jug, hook like jug, J. This is silent. This is R. This is B. Okay, B for ball, B. This is one more stroke like that. Then G becomes K. D becomes T, the. This becomes J becomes Ch. This is H. This is Pike, P. This double, then it becomes, this is G, this is GG, Similarly, DD, SS, JJ. This is B. You see, here and here and here double. Here it is double. S is also double, but single. There is no aspirated. Here it is also double. Okay, these 5 sounds. G becomes K. D becomes T. Okay, J becomes CH. Okay, circle I have kept over here, it is silent, and this is H. Okay, and this is P, this is B, this is R. Okay, now I have to tell you one more thing. Just I will pause. Hey, remember we read about Anyong Haseyo? In that, we used to write a, na, then nyong, and then again zero. This zero, here it is silent, here it is having ng sound. Then this zero should also have two sounds. Okay. Actually, every consonant has two sounds. Okay. When it is above in that square, if it is in the left front, then this square is there now. Then if it is here, then it will have different sound. If it is here, then it will have different sound. Okay. So every vowel has two sounds. So like that, if I divide it, in that case, here, this division, every letter in this row will show a K sound if it is written at the bottom. See, if here this is a square, alright, if I write it over here, then it will produce a K sound. If this also I write it here, then it is already K, it means K. Then if I write like this, ak, it will also produce ak. This will also produce ak, and this will also produce ak. Okay. So in case if it is written at the bottom, if it is written above, then previously whatever I told you, that is the pronunciation. If it is written at the bottom, then this row will show K. Okay. This row, even if it is written in the above or below, it will produce only N sound, N. Okay. This row is also same. This will also produce M sound even if it is written above. Okay. In the square, if it is written ma, na, man, man. Okay. If it is written am, okay, ma sound will be there. Okay. In this row, there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These, every vowel will show T sound, T, this T. Okay. If it is written at the bottom, okay, this where if it is written, then everybody will show T sound. If it is written over here, then it will show its own sound. Alright. Then this is silent. Okay. If it is written above, then it is silent. If it is written below, then it will show ng sound. Ng. Okay. Anyong, ng. That will. This also has two sounds. If it is in the square, if it is written here, then it will show R sound. If it is down, it will show L sound. Okay. L sound it will show. And this whole thing, if it is written at the bottom of the square, okay, this will show P sound, P. This one, this sound. Okay. So altogether I can say this row, okay, this is K, this all will show K. Here nothing is there, so N. Here nothing is there, then M. In this whole 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, it will show this T sound. Okay. This is NG, this is L, this is P. So that's all for today. I will explain this slowly after means in every lecture I will try to see. In lecture 1 I have told you about Anyong Haseyo. I have repeatedly told you about that again and again. So you will remember it. So don't worry to mug up all these things. You have to be just casual. These are things, this will come. So slowly you will understand. Okay. Don't mug up.